Okay, so after my hot stuff, I cashed out, put in 20, took out 70. So I came back to the Dancing Drums Explosion, a different one, and hopefully this will be luckier for me. I'm a low roller, but putting 70 in, I'm like, maybe I'll go like $1.88 a play. Live wildly. I know. Let's see. Here's the mini, the minor, major, and the grand. Okay. Dancing Drums Explosion. And I'm gonna do $1.88 a spin. It scares me. Because I don't think there's any volume. Is there volume on this? I don't even know where to look for it. Because the last one was pretty loud. Oh, there it is. It's down here. Okay, let's do this again. Let's hit something, all right? Nothing. $1.80 a spin. I'm going to spin this for a while and then maybe switch to 88. It has no volume on it. No volume. Oh, one drum, one wild. Oh, there's some little pots there for $1.50. Nothing much there. Come on, let's close the pot. Hit a line hit. Yeah, there's no volume on it. I turned it all the way up and it's not really any volume. I'm gonna switch to 88 and see if I do anything on that. Come on, Dancing Drums Explosion. Okay, I'm already down a little bit. I'll go down to like 40. And I'm not excited about the pot closing because you all know that we always get the mini, right? I would just like to get the bonus. Or some dogs, these dogs go across there, or some coins, or anything across the lines. Okay, come on, hit something. I got so excited with the last game I played. I'm like, oh, maybe I'm lucky. But I don't want to give it all back. That's sage words of advice. Don't give it all back. Some people say, you know, it's, oh, you're playing with their money. No, once it's in your pocket, it's your money. Oh, come on. Give me those drums. Get me a golden drum. Come on. Couple more spins. Okay, maybe I'll go down to 40. I am up a little bit, so let's go down to 40 if I can hit anything. Come on. I don't know. I mean, say in the comments, would you keep playing if it's not hitting anything, or would you switch games? And there's no volume on it, so kind of lackluster, you know what I'm saying? Okay, maybe I'll just go down to 45. Nothing happens, which doesn't look like it's happening. Oh, I hit it. Did I just say it doesn't look like it's happening? Oh my goodness. Just when you say that, just when you think it's not happening. Yeah, I said it's only 88. Because I know Slot Queen usually goes for those. And it's not a big bet. So, I don't really, I don't like the 15. I don't like the mystery pick. I would think about 10. Maybe I'll go for the 5. Okay, you know what? Let's just do it. Let's go for the 5. Maybe that's a sign I shouldn't go for the 5. Okay, I'll press it down here. Okay, here we go. Fingers crossed. Let's do this. Let's line something up. Oh, there's one spin, 2 spins. Close the pot? No. 2 spins. 3 spins. 4 spins. Oh, come on. That was a little bit of something, but not much. Can we have a huge hit on the last spin? Maybe? No. Are you kidding me? $12.95. All of that for all this hope. Maybe I should have gone with the 3. I don't know. All right. I'm going to play it down to 50 now. Should I move it up to 180? I wasn't hitting on anything then. I'm not going to 280. Should I do 280? See, if I was live, you guys could answer. But I need more subscribers. So if you like it, subscribe, share with your friends, like, comment, please. Okay, I'm going to try a couple bets at 188. Nothing. One more of that. Ooh, there's the golden drum. Okay, back to 188. I mean, sorry, 88. I'm gonna play it down to 50, I think. And should I say it again? Boy, nothing happens. Nothing's happening. Maybe it'll hit again. I don't know. Probably not. Let's see if the dog's all the way across or the ingots all the way across. Or the coins. Okay, down to 50. Come on. Fingers crossed. Let's hit something. Close the pot. No, if it's close the pot, all it's going to give us the mini. You know that. We know that. We all know that. Couple more spins. And then I'll move on to the next game, which hopefully will be lucky. I like hitting the bonuses. It gives me a little hope. But then again, when it's a bonus, bummer, whatever. Okay, well, it's 50-65, so I'm going to cash out right here. So, there we go. I mean, there we go. I'll be back if I hit anything. I'm not doing great. Kind of the bonuses I'm hitting are very small, but I am a small bettor, at least for the moment, until I start hitting something better. So anyway, I sat down at 88 Fortunes, which I actually had some luck at the Flamingo. So fingers crossed. Let's see. Mini the minor and everything. If I could hit the major, that'd be amazing. And this thing, I mean, it's 3 reels, but it's amazing. I never even know what I'm hitting unless it's making noise. I'm like, well, I don't know. The other are a little bit easier to understand. But anyway, I put in 50-65, and I'm going to do 88 credits at the moment and see what happens. Whether the volume is on here. It may not. I don't think any of these. I don't know. Now 3 booms like that would have been amazing. Boom, boom, boom is always good. I love when I hear boom, 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 then I know I got something good. And turtles would be great. Ingots would be great. Coins would be great. Closing the pot with... Oh, two. See, this is the 2 times. That one always freaks me out. Not freaks me out, but I never know when it's going to come, and I don't even know what it means. I don't even know why it happens, but 18 times my bet would be cool, but I don't know. I honestly have no idea why that happens. But I'm okay with it. So there must be those across there. I think I want the free games. Turtles, but not all the way across. Coins, but not all the way across. I like the boom, boom, boom. I need some boom, boom, boom. Oh, times 3. Okay. Not much. Okay. I want 3 of these. Oh, yay. Come on. Come on, 3 of those gongs. 3 of the gongs, please. Okay, down some money. 3 of the gongs, please. Close the pot or times 3. So obviously that's wild. Some turtles. low roller girl likes that. Okay, come on, get the gong, 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 gong. No gong. Get some, I think the birds, these birds up here, would be good. Or the free games would be amazing. Those beautiful golden birds, doves or whatever they are. Yeah. Gong me, gong me, gong me. Come on. Gong me, coin me, gong me, dove me. I don't know. It only takes one spin to win, right? I got some coins times 5. That should be good, right? 10 times 28. Alright, well, not as great as I thought, but alright. I'm going to close the pot at any time. The mini is actually $24, so that's not bad. Miner's 31. Of course, everyone wants the major. Ooh, there's turtles. You're killing me. Couldn't have coins on the next round. Alright, I'm going to play it down to 30. But let's hit something in between. Come on. Lots of turtles. 40 times 6, 240. Come on, let's hit the bonus. Let's close the pot or hit the bonus. So close, but yet so far. Down to 30. I don't know how the rest of you are, but I'm never quite sure the reels and what they're going to hit and what it means. I mean, times 3. Oh, doves. So that's $9. That's good. That's good. So let's go down to 30 or up to 60. How about that? Come on. Fortunes be with me. Oh, there's some coins. Okay. Alright. Come on, gong, 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 gong. Ooh, turtles. Come on, turtles. Don't you like me? Alright, down to 30 or up to 60. Pause. I'm going to change my bet. $1.76, right? I think that's going to help. A couple of those, maybe. Ooh. One more of those. Back to 88. It's too expensive for my blood. Okay, down to 30. Come on, let's do this. Let's hit this bonus. Couple more spins left. Come on. That wasn't much. Come on. Alright, I think cashing on that one. I'll be back. Okay, probably the last game for tonight since I'm not having a lot of luck, and it's called Triple Double Diamond Free Games. 20 lines played, credit in $20.36. Credits bet. Alright, so I guess I'm going to spin the reels on this. I'm assuming free games gets me free games, 3 of them. Alright, let's do this. I'll take any of those. I'd take the double diamonds for sure. I'd take the free games for sure. I'd basically, like, let's be honest, I'll take anything. I like this sucker up. Let's do this. Do this. It's my last game of the night. Let's do this. Free games. I'm betting 80 credits. Oh, triple. What was that? Oh, $12. It's not really a coin show. I mean, let's not get out of control here. Oh, maybe it's more than that. Oh, this might be, well, it's 777, I guess. I guess that's a good line hit. Well, yeah, okay, all right. $12. Yeah, it was $12. All right. Okay, let me play it down to 15. How about that? Hit something in between there, though. Come on. Free games. Come on. $6. Okay, so I'll play it up to 40 or down to 20. I have those stop gaps in there. Oh, $2. Up to 40, down to 25. Come on, let's hit some free games. I want to see the bonus. No. Yeah, I knew I was right. No. Free games? Free games? Double diamond bars. Look at that, it's $1.20. Okay, like I said, up to 40 or down to 25. I'm just doing that. Stop gaps. Why you gotta tease me? Why you gotta tease me? I do have my card in. Always put your card in. Earn those free nights, free rooms, free play. Okay, I'm at New York on the Las Vegas Strip. First night here. Did I say down to 25? Apparently I screwed that one up. Okay, down to 20. I put 20 in. Let's see if we can hit something. Come on, let's hit this free games. Okay, gets me another spin. Alright, well that's down to my 20, and that'll be my last game for tonight, and not up, but alright, you know, that happens. So, sitting at the bar, I said I was going to play the last game, but I'm sitting at the bar, and instead of playing video poker, because it hasn't been treating me well at New York, their schedules are kind of wanky. Anyway, so I've hit Siberian bonus, so fingers crossed that it's going to be amazing. It's only 50 cents a spin, so we'll see. Okay, here we go. We got the blue eyes all the way across. That triggers the free spins. So, I won $2 on that. And it started now. 8 free spins times 4, initially incoming is 32 free spins awarded. Oh, that's awesome. It must be how many eyes you get, I'm guessing. So let's hope for a big win here to finish out the night. I mean, the amount of the eyes, oh, that looks beautiful. Let's do this. I hate bonus bummers, don't we all? So it pays left to right and right to left, so that's cool. So we're at 750. which is not huge. Love the tiger coming out of there. Well, that looks pretty good. 30 times $9.90. Ooh, wild all the way across. That might be good. I like that it pays both ways, right to left and left to right. Because how many times do you have it line up over here and it doesn't line up with anything there? So far I'm happy, and I'm trying to figure out how many. I've got 5 of 32 games left. That's pretty good. I like it so far. This is a fingers crossed way to end my night. Okay, 6 of 32 games. Keep lining those wilds up, and I don't know, you had to re-trigger it, or if there's a possibility of that, but and the tiger's eyes have changed. They're now gold instead of blue. I don't know if that makes a difference. 10 of 32, it's at $18.95 right now. It's $20 so far, and it is 50 cents a spin. I'm a low roller, and so we'll see. It's kind of gotten a little bit cold. We've got another 15, 16 games. Give me some wilds, wild. We're at $21, 17 of 32 games. Kind of got a little cold, but if we can line up and have the tigers like roar in the middle, that's always great. That seems to be a big win. 19 of 32 games. We're at $24. $26. 11 more games to go. I did put just $20 in here from the last game, so a lot of tigers across there. Whatever those other things are. Not a bad bonus for me just sitting here, because the video poker was not paying me anything. So we're at 50 cents a bet, so can we get 10 times our, $50 back would be cool, but okay, I've got 3 more games. Some wilds there. I'm actually pretty happy with this. Whatever those are all the way across is kind of crazy. 3 more spins. I would like to line tigers up all the way across, which I don't think those are the same tigers. Oh well. Well, when the tiger comes out, I guess that's a good one. $35. One more game, one more spin. $36, $37. Okay, last spin. A little bit there. Okay, not bad for end of the game where I wasn't going to play much and I was just betting 50 cents a spin. So not bad. I'm happy with it. $38.90.